Would you like a car rental? Initials. You think you can get more by calling a lawyer?
You already have called a lawyer.
This conversation's over. We have to go.
If you've been injured in an accident, tell them you mean business. Call on the hurt line. The law offices of James Scott Ferrin. Right now.
Mike Bays tracks changes coming with a cold front. WREL News this evening at 5.
Right turns on the nerd.
You disgust me.
New Survivor, CBS tonight.
Hey, you bet.
What is his name?
He's the figurehead of this university, that he should have done more, and so